In this video, I show you how to make Chrome your default browser in your Windows laptop. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is on your PC, just open Google Chrome. So here I've come to Chrome. After that, you have to click on the three dots which are on the top right. Then go to Settings. It's over here. Once you're on Settings, just click on Default Browser. It's this option that's on the left. Then here, just click on this button that says Make Default. Now, it has redirected us to Settings, and from here, we can actually make it our default browser. So on top, you'll see an option saying Make Google Chrome your default browser. So just click on Set Default. It's this option here. And now it's done. So I can just close Settings. And as you can see, even here, it's changed. They've said that Google Chrome is your default browser. So this is basically how it works. And if you want to know some cool Google Chrome extensions, you can check out this video over here. That's it for today. Goodbye.